Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh, and if you're looking to earn some extra cash online by writing articles, you're in for a treat. So today we are exploring an interesting opportunity called Listverse. So stick around as we break down what Listverse is all about and how you can make money by sharing your lists. But please make a note, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires lot of time and effort. But friends, if you're really interested in my preferred method to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month on autopilot, then I request you to please click the first link in the description, get registered so that you get redirected to my actual strategy. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, I'm about to give you a $97 bonus absolutely for free. Also, just ask yourself guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and start making money in dollars just on autopilot by creating this kinds of system as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And now, without any delay, let's get started with today's video. What is Listverse? Listverse is a cool website that specializes in creating and sharing lists on various topics, from top travel destinations to unique historical discoveries. These lists often get featured on different platforms, bringing in revenue through advertisements. What's even cooler is that Listverse needs people like you to contribute by writing lists. Now let's get into the details. On Listverse main website, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find a section that says write and get paid. So click on it to see the steps on how you can start earning money. You know, Listverse pays $100 for every article they approve. Remember, I said it's about approved articles, not just the total number of articles written. Okay, when we talk about the submissions, to make sure your article gets approved, there are a few rules to follow. You don't need to be an expert, but your English needs to be top notch, not like me. Okay. So Listverse pays attention to the quality of your writing. You know, it's $100 per approved article, as I said, and they pay exclusively through PayPal. And make sure you have a PayPal account to receive your earnings. And a small note, they only accept submissions from specific countries including the US, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. Unfortunately, if you're outside these regions, Listverse won't consider your submission. When we talk about approval process, Listverse allows you to choose any topic for your list except from sports, self-help, personal stories, and gaming. Your list should consist of a minimum of 10 items with 1 or 2 paragraphs per item. Originality is crucial and plagiarism is a big no-no. Providing reputable sources is essential, but images or pictures are not at all required. Now let's talk how to submit it. So to submit your list, head back to the website main page and scroll down. There you would be finding submit a list. So click on that, fill in your details including your name, email address, PayPal address, and of course your top 10 list. Then after hit submit and you're on your way to potentially earning $100 for your approved list. Apart from that, I came across few reviews and feedbacks. So let's address some common concerns on this. While some online reviews label Listverse is completely a scam, it's crucial to note that this isn't entirely accurate. On average, only a small percentage of submitted articles get approved. Some contributors claim a success rate of around 3 out of 150 submissions. However, with persistence and understanding Listverse preferences, some contributors submit daily and receive payments. So at last, I would like to conclude saying Listverse can be a valuable addition to your online money-making venture. While it might not replace your full-time job, but it's a great way to diversify your income streams. So give it a try, and who knows, your list might be the next featured sensation. And as I said this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you are interested in my preferred method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 every month on autopilot, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered so that you get redirected to my favorite strategy right away. Alright guys, and as a bonus, I would like to give away my own program called the Stasho method. As you can see on the screen, this program got listed on Digistore24, one of the best affiliate platform in the market. And you know, I've listed my program there for $20. this program exactly helps people or individuals to start their own supplement brand. But now I'm selling it for $20, but in future I'm about to sell it for $97, and that's for sure. And this program would be helping individuals to start a supplement brand online without any product and inventory. So give it a try. For that purpose, I request you to please join my community. There is a second link in my description. Click that, join my community, and this is the easiest way to access all my future upcoming programs absolutely for free. All right, so please don't delay, and this is only for limited people. Like, I'm looking for only first 100 people to give away my programs absolutely for free. So please take action and join my community. And also I would like to give away another bonus, like it would be helping people how to start affiliate marketing from comfort of their home. This program is absolutely no-brainer. People are going to charge around $1,000 to $2,000 per this course, but I'm going to give you live insights. I mean, like recorded insights on how to do affiliate marketing with Digistore24. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content and make money online tips. Stay tuned for the next video, and thanks for watching. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.